In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum an entire column in Excel. We'll be using Microsoft Excel, and this is a really helpful skill to know if you work with budgets, sales figures, inventory totals, or any list of numbers that may grow over time. The big advantage of summing an entire column instead of only selecting a fixed range of cells is that Excel can continue including new numeric values added later. That makes your worksheet more flexible and saves you from having to update the formula manually. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where your data is stored. For this example, imagine you have a column of sales numbers. The sample values are 1200, 850, 950, 1100, and 700. These numbers are all placed in the same column, and you want Excel to calculate the total for you. The recommended way to do this is by using the sum function with a full column reference. This method is simple, reliable, and especially useful when more numbers might be added later. First, click the cell where you want the total to appear. Make sure you choose a location that makes sense for your worksheet, and try not to place the result somewhere that could interfere with the data you're totaling. Next, type the sum formula using the column reference. In this example, if your numbers are in column A, you would enter equals CEM, open parenthesis, A:A, and then close parenthesis. Written out, the formula is SUM, A. Once you've typed the formula, press Enter. Excel will immediately calculate the total of all numeric values in that column. With the sample data shown here, the result is 4800. One important thing to understand is that this formula looks at the entire column, not just a small block of cells. That means if you add more numbers to column A later, Excel will automatically include them in the total. This is what makes the method so useful for ongoing spreadsheets. Also keep in mind that Excel sums numeric values only. Text entries in the column won't be added, which is helpful if your column contains a header such as sales at the top. So, to recap, open Excel, choose the cell where you want the result, type SUM, A, and press Enter. That's all it takes to sum an entire column in Excel and create a total that can update as your data grows. And that's how to sum an entire column in Excel.